I think firstly, I'm absolutely not surprised by that, because that's also the trend that I'm seeing in the industry, especially in the productivity and process side of things, whether it's the front office or the back office or the mid office. AI is definitely driving such kind of gains. So I'm not surprised by that number. If you're speaking to the tech and the developer community, a large amount of coding and pipelines and workflows and orchestration is being driven by AI. So data analytics and insights, I think, is shaping up really fast and really well, especially how we are applying concepts of generative and agentic AI. So I'm not surprised that data and analytics is seeing a huge amount of AI applications. In order to use AI, whether it's a shiny tool that you get, so you're not exposed to the underlying complexities of the tech, irrespective of the way in which you talk to the AI or engage with the AI, there are some foundational skills that one needs to develop. It is not an unknown fact anymore that whether you are a developer, whether you are a marketing professional, or you are a legal professional, or you are a consultant, whether you are using AI for everyday tasks, productivity tasks, search and summarization, you're trying to create content, I think you should find it immensely useful. I think the technology for an end business user consumption level is quite mature. Of course, this is changing every day. This is becoming more advanced every day. So no doubts about that. But having said that, again, it's a direct interpretation or direct result of how well you are able to use the AI. So there's always a continuous learning required for all of us, because this technology is only going to change and improve every day. I was hoping that number would be north of 90% by now. You have to get into a continuous learning mode like never before with AI, simply because this thing is changing and improving or becoming different every other week or day. So I think we'll just see more of this. So I think if you are serious about that and it needs money, you better go and spend it. Having said that, if a part of that or a large part of that can be driven through organizational channels, your company provides it, or you work somewhere, or you're part of an org which enables that, that's great. But if there is a delta, you should totally go ahead and spend it. In my opinion, when it comes to learning, I am open to all sorts of sources which provide me that information. Having said that, because I'm learning something which is new, I'm not improving myself. If that's the case, then I would resort to those kind of sources which are authentic. When I say authentic, I mean the source is something or someone who is giving you or providing you a platform or content or advice which is vetted. In my opinion, this needs to be a mix of employee or employer-led programs, paid channels,